Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela ubadai pet tanat social welfare uba Paul Lyngdoh habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor mentak sengi kah nyo trik ujeleo ulaong. Ba ke Jingkynnoh kit karang nya syakmat ha kabai dei bat ke Jingkynnoh ba kadon ke Jingle thok bat le tu ha kabai dei bat ke Jingpenya yu Khaw bat kini ke Jingkynnoh barok ki dei ki ba Bakla bat kamdon ke Jingpen shisha halor ke Jingkynnoh. Ladep ru ban wanra ya kini kemat hakmat u advocate general jong ke Jela ban kaliang u AG kat kum ke Jingpet banyak jong u ulaong ba ulong u basai bat ki Jingkynnoh kim long ki basisha bat amla ban ken kam thok ha ka bai dei bat ke Jingpen ya u Khaw Shushu ba Paul ulaong da ka bashim bat pentrai kam ni ki kindon jong ka ain kada ka ba penlong ban slem ke Jing bishari ke mukot duma dei ne kada ka Jing slem ban ya trailang bat ketanat pulit jong ke Jela Asam kabaka jaka ban penyat yo tu yo Khaw ka sedang ban kaliang ba Paul ulaong ba kermen haki por ban wan ke Jingkynnoh kit kadai ban long ha ka por ka babiang khnang ba ki badan kiti ha ka kam tu kinom yo lat su ban le ya ka ju ka kam uba Paul ulaong ru ba kumba ula shimti menta ya ka kam kumunong khmi ya ka tanat social welfare ula penti kena ba amdai ban don uno ubreu khamtam ki pulit ki ban penlong ke Jingkynnoh kit Balada jia ba mi kinogi ni jingjia ba yo kem ni ki breu katnat pulit kare ban pentip mar seu como menteri ubadai peng
processed and the inquiry report is ready, and as per this report all allegations of rice scam are baseless, and there is no iota of truth in any of the allegations. That is the view that has also been put up before the AG of the state, and the AG was very clear, was very lucid, was very very pointed in his observation that the allegations have no legs to stand upon, and therefore the case cannot be regarded as a scam. Having obtained the views of the law department and the Advocate General, and having observed the view that the actual incident and the case was delayed because of lack of coordination with the Assam police, where the scam was supposed to have taken place. I have observed accordingly that in future there should be a definite timeline for inquiries, so that parties who are alleged to have committed such scams are not, and the department are not dragged into needless controversy. Notings, it was just a matter of the location which was not properly recorded, and therefore the case was handed over to the Assam police, and on further inquiries and based on the inquiry report, the file then went through the law department and the Advocate General, and they were very clear, as I said, they were very clear that no such scam had taken place. If you recall, this is an issue that I had also raised in the State Assembly very vociferously 5-6 years ago, and now that I'm here in charge of social welfare, I will ensure that we tighten our grip over the system, and no men, especially men in uniform, shall be allowed to operate in such a manner. Wherever such cases come up to your attention, bring them to my notice as well.